Tuesday, September 11th, 2001. This is how the day unfolded. Morning, Rexy. Morning, buddy. Morning, everybody. Man, it's a beautiful day. We had to go to school. Right. What if we skip school? Rexy, that we can't skip school. Yeah. Well, at least we can see the Twin Towers. Yeah. Ugh. I want to see the Twin Towers before... I want to see them. Alright. Wait for me! Yeah, me too. Wow. Look. It's beautiful. Sure is. So, what do we do with it? I don't know. Wait, what is that? I see it too. Looks like a plane. Why is it flying so low? I don't know, but it looks like it's hitting one of the towers. Oh no. Wait, go high! Go low! It's not going low. Oh no. Guys, incoming! That is the biggest explosion I ever heard. What happened? I think a plane just crashed into one of the towers. Oh my god, I gotta go check. Goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's like tons of people. What do we do? I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's hundreds of firefighters. Oh my goodness. Don't worry, Rexy. We'll think about it. Alright, come on, Rexy. I'm coming. It's kind of weird. A plane crashed into one of the towers. So what do we do now? I don't know. There's like tons of people in the tower. Yeah. Weird. So now what? Who knows? Who knows, okay? Maybe something else. Joe! What was that? I don't know. What? Oh my god, what's going on out there? What is going on? What happened? Yo. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. It looks like an attack. What do we do? What do we do? I don't know. I don't know. Now the second plane is struck. Now what? I don't know. You hear that? Sounds like a freight train. Guys, what? Hide. What are you talking about? Just hide! Okay. Come on. Hold on, you guys. What? Whoa! Oh, what happened? I don't know, guys. Did another plane hit? No. Looks like one of the towers collapsed. Man. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Alright. It is gone. Wait, if that tower collapsed, will the other one collapse? Maybe. So, now what? I don't know. I don't know. We gotta get for more cover. Alright, let's go. To be continued.